Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. I'm going to show you how to install a WFP 511104. It's for the front doors. It's a two-piece kit. You can also buy the parts individually. Greg, what's this fit?
This is for a Toyota Tundra. This is for the double cab, and it fits from 04 to 06.
Check our website for complete make, model year information. Let's get started.
These are the tools you need for this project.
All right, this is our R&D door. Normally you have a cover here that you need to remove. It has two push pins and a locator tab. Also, there'll be a little cover over here you'd have to remove. And obviously we're missing the inside of the handle area here. We'll show you how to deal with that later.
We're going to remove this clip by pushing in the center to the first click, and then we will pull the clip out. Again, I will illustrate. I'm going to set it flush, pushing the center of the clip in to the first click, and then you'll be able to release it out of the panel.
I'm going to go ahead and take out the screw here.
While he's doing that, I'm going to remove this pin button and expose the Phillips screw.
Now this is where we'll splice in how to do this from the one on the rear door. So we need to remove this little cover here. We use a little pick tool to open this up. Now this will give us access to the screw that we need to remove. We're going to pop this up. Now we have to remove the housing here. We're going to lift it up. Then we're going to slide it toward Greg and it pops out. Now we're going to remove the panel out slightly and then pull out the housing, turn it 90 degrees and push it back through the panel itself. You'll have to unconnect some of the connectors behind here. We'll show you how to do that. One last step here, you have to unhook the electrical connectors. You're going to push down on the tab and pull it out. There's one more in the bottom here. Same idea, push down and then pull it out. Now we're ready to take the door panel and remove and replace the belt line. I have the opposite side here, and I'm doing this so I can show you the tabs. You can see these tabs right here. They actually go into the slots in the door panel, and then they get bent away from the hole. So this way goes this way, then this one here is going to be bent toward this side. So you go through the holes in the door panel, you bend them over, that's what affixes the part to the actual door panel. So to get this off, we're going to go ahead and unbend these tabs on this part, make them straight, and this will pop right off. All right, the first clip is here, which I already undid. So the next one's here. So I'm taking my flathead screwdriver, getting behind it, and just turning it to get it to about 90 degrees. That'll allow me to pull it out of the panel.
Hold on, keep going.
Now these are bent the opposite way, so now this one's a little tricky because it's right behind here. And then the last one is right here. So they're all the clips straight, we're just going to pull this right off the panel. And we're ready to install the new one. Okay, it's important to note that the angle cut goes towards the B pillar of the panel. So we're going to go ahead and put the tabs into the slot, pushing all the way down, making sure they line up here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. Now, so I'm pushing it onto the panel here. Now I'm going to take my finger and bend this one over. Now remember, bending it the opposite way of the hole, just to get us started. I'm going to continue on. Again, I'm pushing down on the panel to keep it nice and tight. I'm going to continue on down, making sure that we're tight. And again, bending them away from the hole. The one behind here, again, is kind of tricky. But reach in there. And you can use a Weatherstrip installation tool if you want, that can help. Okay, with them all fixed, it's tight, you're ready to reinstall the door panel. Next, we're going to reinstall the wires in the reverse order that we took them out. We're going to go ahead and we're going to hook it over the actual edge on the door. And go ahead and make sure the clips line up. And then tap them into the actual door. We're going to go ahead and put the screws back. Greg's working on the push pins on the other side of the door. Everything's secure. Greg's putting the last screw in by the handle. Once he puts the cover back on here, this install is done.